We actually just wrapped up a 3-week, 19-stop, 10-state tour to talk about healthcare reform, what it means for middle-class Americans. We chose a kind of fun rock and roll themed motif, I think, that stands in sharp contrast to what opponents of reform have been doing over the past few weeks with their negativity and the mob mentality that was going on. And what we found out there is that there is overwhelming support for healthcare reform. When people find out that this is going to mean lower premium costs for them, it's going to mean an end to discrimination against people with pre-existing conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure. There is overwhelming support out there, and what people have seen on the 24-hour cable news stations simply doesn't reflect what's really going on out in the country. The highlights of the tour have just been the crowds that we have seen come out and support. We have laptops on board, we have cell phones on board, and in every stop, we're talking about 300 in Indianapolis, we're talking about 200 in Arkansas on a hot, muggy night. They came out, they called, they emailed, they wrote letters to their members of Congress, and that was really the highlight. Judging from what we've seen on the road, we're confident that this is going to go through, and it's going to be the right kind of health care reform. 4 out of 5 committees in Congress have a public health insurance option in their legislation. People that we have visited in these 10 states and 19 cities across the country have been overwhelmingly in support of that. We're confident at the end of the day we're going to have real reform, and it's going to be the real reform that people want.